So the next kind of dream is about an activating dream. So it's where you go, where you know you're being taken or traveled or journeyed or brought to a new awareness, where, so instead of directive, it's more of an experience where you get this full body, like, oh my God, this is amazing. You know, it's a communion of sorts. An example of that is, when I was in Peru and I got taken to a time when Machu Picchu had all of the goddesses being on God, like all of the spiritual teachers being educated there, and that they understood things to be multidimensional. And I watched the codes infuse into the rocks in Machu Picchu. I watched them all go into the rocks. And I got shown that we don't have to be afraid. That, like, I had the experience of, oh, I'm surrounded by the information. It's in the stones. Like, it's in the thing it's in the mountain itself. The people that lived here gave off the biophotons. The biophotons got taken up by the flora and fauna and rocks, and everything contains the information. But it wasn't, I was told that, I was taking on an experience of that. I could feel it. It bypassed having to be told or having to have a conversation. So that's like one of those lesson or activating types of dreams, right? Very interesting.